Why does Tesla think putting carpet in a high traffic spot a good idea? The door sills always look like a beach in the worst way possible. Look, we all love the clean, minimalist dream. However, the reality of owning a Juniper is that that area is literally a magnet for dirt, sand, and debris. You could be out here every single day with a vacuum just to make it look decent. And let's be honest, once that sand gets into the fibers, it never comes out. My Model 3 had plastic door sills. They may have got scuffed a bit, but they didn't get dirty like this, and you just wipe them down and they were clean again. So Tesla made this mistake, but we're going to see if we can fix it without ruining that clean look. If you're new here, I'm Dan. Welcome to Northern Tesla. All right, so we are looking at the 3W Door Sill Protectors. Now, I've seen a lot of aftermarket junk, but these are different. The texture here, it's TPE material that actually matches the floor mats and the lower plastic trim of the Juniper perfectly. It doesn't scream cheap accessory. When you run your hand across it, it feels substantial, not like flimsy plastic. It has this matte finish that absorbs light rather than reflecting it, which is key for maintaining that OEM stealth look. It basically extends that industrial durability of the floor to the entry points where you actually step. The biggest win here isn't just the look, it's the maintenance. I am tired of a workout every single time I get home, bringing out the vacuum. I've been living with these for a few days, and instead of lugging out the vacuum to get every grain of sand out of the carpet fibers, I just wipe this down with a damp cloth or a quick brush. It turns a 10-minute chore into a 10-second wipe. If you're like me and you actually use your SUV, trips to the park, kids jumping in and out, this carpeted sill is your worst enemy. These protectors create a full barrier from the door entry all the way to the trunk sill. Now let's talk installation. Some of these brands use permanent adhesive that makes me nervous. 3W went with a full Velcro back system, which kind of makes it easy. It's a set it and forget it kind of situation, but the catch is you need to align it perfectly. Now, another thing with installation, you want to use a pry tool. It will make your life so much easier, and you want to wear gloves. Now, when I started, I didn't have gloves on, so on this side, when I was working at it, trying to get it under the weather stripping, obviously your nails are going to create some scratches. So I was smart, put on some gloves. On the other side, don't have any of that. So don't be like me, put some gloves on. And definitely follow the steps of which parts to put in first, because it's a system and it works together. Now, who is this for? If you are tired of seeing your premium interior covered in dirt and sand, and you're over the constant vacuuming, this is the first thing you should buy. It's a small detail with a huge impact on your long-term resale value and your sanity. Keeps the car looking brand new without that extra work. If you want that premium carpet feel for the front, then you can maybe forego them up there. But for the back seat and trunk, it is a no-brainer. One, you're not going to get any, dirty carpet. You're not going to get sand that you have to vacuum out, and there's no chance of salt or, ruining your carpet altogether. So you have that protection. However, you will get scuffs. So it's a trade-off. Now, in my mind, I'd rather deal with the scuff marks, do this for a couple of years while the kids are young, making those messes, and a couple of years when these are full of scuffs, either replace them with new ones or go back to the original carpet. If you want to get yourself some of these, head over to 3wliners.com. I'll have the link down below in the description, and use promo code NORTHTESLA35 for up to 35% off. Now, of course, these are made by 3W Liners, which of course make the best floor mats for your Tesla. So check them out. They are rugged, they fit well, and they're easy to clean, and they look phenomenal. So be sure to check those out as well. All right, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss videos, which I release about every week or so. Tons of awesome Tesla content coming your way. Tips and tricks, how-tos, product reviews. You don't want to miss any of it, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And be sure to follow me on all my socials down here. Anyways, thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. In the meantime, drive safe and drive electric. In my mind, I'll deal. Now in my mind, with it. Now in my mind. Now in my mind. Now in my mind. That's why I shoot inside. I'll just make a U-turn. Good for you. Good for you. If you want that premium carpet feel, now it is a bit of a trade-off. If you want to, you can even. But if you like that carpet, if you like that premium, if you want that premium.